If you look at Prophet Muhammad, he went to Medina. He met the Christians and the Jews, and he crafted the Medina Charter. In fact, when the clerics from Sri Lanka came to Singapore, I showed them a copy of the Medina Charter. Then the head of the delegation told me that many Sri Lankan clerics do not know even about the Medina Charter. I think that we should focus on the commonalities in those religions when preachers speak. But today, many of these clerics are speaking of the differences, and that creates extremists. So what we need is clerics having not only a deep understanding of their own faith, but also understanding of other faiths and a secular stream of education. Because Muslims in history produced some of the most brilliant scientists. The first doctor was Ibn Sina or Avicenna, or Biruni, the algebra, the mathematicians, the people who calculated the distance from Earth to Moon. It's a Muslim. So I think they must have a very deep understanding of these different domains, not only of religion, but also of the arts and the sciences.